Alright everybody, we're back. It is a Wednesday, still in the office dungeon with the backdrop. And my curls didn't stay that great yesterday, but I think because it was a little drizzly, rainy, and the humidity just said, bye, Eileen. Okay. So, today we're going to do the updo, right? And I figure I have tons of bobby pins. I like to do the bobby pin updos, so let's just try, see what we can do. There's the updo that I like to do where you take random little sections of your hair, pin them back, pin them up, pin them whatever, just pin them. I'll take another random little section this way. And I'll go this way. Puff it up a little bit. Take another random little section this way. Don't mind the roots there. Isn't it in? It's ombre, I swear. Pin it in. So kind of like crisscrossy. That's kind of what I do. And figure out with your front, like you want to have one go to the side and the other one up. Maybe we'll do this way. I like to go this way. I might need a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. And just do a little pop, pop, pin. That one's not trying to stay. And so this side, just have your little piece. Pin it up. Let's redo this one. She's fallen. It happens. It happens to the best of us. Alright, there we go. And then, usually I'll just take the sides. Pull them up. Do the pinch. Actually, let's take this piece and pull it over. That little blown thing down. Make that little fullness happen right there. Then we can pin this up and back. See how much better? See? Just gotta keep trying different ways. That up. So let's do the same thing on this side. We'll take this block, pull it over this way, give it the poof du jour, put our pin in, pick the side, bring it back. Remember, we do it like this. Pin it in. Now that's kind of cute if you want to half up and half down. Actually, we could just stick with that today, right? Bring this up. I like it high and poofy. Right? A little freeze and shine. And a little half up, half down for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. There goes my hair revolution of one day down, one day up, but we'll get it together one day. If you like this video, press like, subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.